Hi and welcome to UpSkul's Product Lifecycle Management Guide. In this video, we are going to learn about digital BOMs. My name is Robert, I am an AI trainer, focused on making your learning process smooth and quick. Let's quickly look at the topics we will cover in this lecture. First, we will learn what is a digital BOM. Then, we will move on to explore the benefits of digital BOMs. Key features of digital BOMs. Challenges with digital BOMs. Best practices for implementing digital BOMs. Key metrics to measure digital BOM success. Real-world applications of digital BOMs. Future of digital BOMs. And finally, a roadmap for implementing digital BOMs. What is a digital BOM? A digital BOM is a modern, dynamic version of the traditional bill of materials. Unlike static spreadsheets, it integrates with enterprise systems such as ERP, PLM, and MES, providing real-time updates across the product lifecycle. It serves as the single source of truth for product data, enabling teams to work seamlessly on up-to-date information. Benefits of digital BOMs. 1. Improved accuracy, minimizes manual errors by automating data synchronization, reducing the risk of production errors. 2. Enhanced collaboration, allows multiple teams to access and update a single, centralized BOM. 3. Cost optimization, prevents overordering and wastage by accurately tracking material needs. 4. Better traceability, tracks version changes and ensures compliance with regulatory and safety standards, simplifying audits. Key features of digital BOMs. 1. Real-time updates, automatically syncs with system changes, ensuring accurate and up-to-date data for all stakeholders. 2. Data integration, links seamlessly with ERP for procurement, MES for production, and PLM for design, creating a unified ecosystem. 3. Scalability, easily handles complex multi-level BOMs, including parent-child component relationships for large projects. 4. Data accuracy, reduces errors by automating updates across integrated systems. Challenges with digital BOMs. 1. Data migration, transitioning from legacy systems to digital platforms requires careful planning and execution to avoid data loss. 2. Integration complexity, ensuring that digital BOMs work seamlessly with existing ERP, MES, and PLM systems can be technically challenging. 3. User adoption, employees need proper training to understand and effectively utilize digital BOM platforms for everyday tasks. For cost considerations, high initial investment might deter businesses from adopting the system. Best practices for implementing digital BOMs. 1. Start small. Begin with pilot projects to test the system and iron out issues before organization-wide implementation. 2. Ensure data consistency. Regularly audit and validate BOM data to maintain accuracy and reliability across systems. 3. Choose the right tools. Select digital BOM platforms that integrate seamlessly with your existing enterprise systems, ensuring compatibility and scalability. 4. Invest in training. Provide hands-on training for employees to improve adoption and usage. Key metrics to measure digital BOM success. 1. Data accuracy rate. Measure the percentage of errors in BOM data before and after implementation. 2. Time to market reduction. Assess the time saved in product development cycles due to real-time updates and collaboration. 3. Cost savings. Track cost reductions in material wastage, procurement, and production efficiency. 4. Compliance success rate. Evaluate the ease and accuracy of meeting regulatory and audit requirements. Real-world applications of digital BOMs. By using digital BOMs effectively, the automotive sector manages large, complex BOMs for vehicles, tracking thousands of components across assembly lines. The electronics sector handles frequent design iterations and component replacements, ensuring updated BOMs for production. The aerospace sector ensures precise documentation of components, critical for meeting stringent compliance and safety regulations, and the consumer goods sector aligns production schedules with demand forecasts for greater efficiency. Future of digital BOMs. 1. AI integration. Use AI-powered algorithms for error detection, automatic updates, and enhanced data analytics to improve efficiency. 2. IoT connectivity. Leverage IoT-enabled devices for real-time feedback on production data, updating the BOM dynamically. 3. Blockchain technology. Implement blockchain for secure and tamper-proof data sharing across suppliers, ensuring trust and transparency in supply chains. 4. Cloud scalability. Enable global collaboration and access with cloud-based solutions for digital BOMs. Roadmap for implementing digital BOMs. Assess current BOM processes. Identify pain points and inefficiencies in existing workflows. Select the right platform. Evaluate digital BOM tools for integration, scalability, and usability. Pilot and test. Implement a pilot project for a specific product or process to evaluate performance. Scale and optimize. Gradually expand implementation across departments while refining workflows. So, that was all about digital BOMs. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.